Finding the right three-dimensional printer can be challenging with so many options available. Whether for beginners, professionals, or hobbyists, choosing a model that delivers precision and reliability is essential. From high-resolution printing to faster production, different models offer various advantages for creative projects. This guide explores the top 5 best 3D printers that provide quality performance, ease of use, and efficiency. Discover options that help bring ideas to life with smooth operation and excellent print results for different needs. I put all of the product buying links in the video description. A request to you, please subscribe our channel and hit the notification bell. Let's get started. At number 1, we have QIDI Q1 Pro Printer. The QIDI Q1 Pro 3-dimensional printer is designed for efficient printing with a structure that supports high-speed operation. The build allows for smooth movement while ensuring precision in every project. The system includes components that enhance stability, providing accurate layer formation for different models. A calibration function is included to adjust settings automatically. The system detects filament status in real time, preventing interruptions during operation. The detection process ensures smooth printing by monitoring material usage, allowing for continuous production without errors. The printing chamber regulates temperature to improve adhesion and reduce warping. This function supports materials that require stable conditions, helping to maintain print quality. The enclosed structure enhances control over the environment, making it suitable for complex designs. The printer supports various materials, including carbon fiber, glass fiber, and multiple filament types. The nozzle system handles high temperatures, allowing compatibility with different materials for diverse applications. The structure prevents clogging, ensuring smooth extrusion for consistent results. At number 2, we have Toybox 3D Printer. The Toybox 3-dimensional printer for kids is designed for simple operation, allowing children to create their own toys without assistance. The compact structure makes it easy to place in different spaces while providing a smooth printing experience. The lightweight build ensures convenience, making it suitable for young users. A digital catalog provides access to a wide selection of toys. The collection is regularly updated with new additions, offering fresh designs for different interests. This setup allows continuous creativity without requiring additional software or complex adjustments. The system includes an option to upload custom designs. Users can create unique models by drawing or designing their own toys, which can then be stored for future use. This function encourages creativity by enabling personalized projects that can be accessed anytime. A connection to cloud storage provides access to stored designs from different devices. The system operates independently, allowing smooth functionality without requiring additional equipment. Wireless connectivity enhances usability, ensuring that printing is both simple and efficient. We believe that you like our best Toybox 3D printer. A request to you, a like on the video, and subscribe to the channel. In the comment section, tell me which Toybox 3D printer you liked. At number 3, we have Creality Ender 3v3 set. The Creality Ender 3v3 set 3-dimensional printer is designed for efficient printing with a structure that supports smooth operation. The build allows for high-speed functionality while maintaining precision. The lightweight frame provides stability, ensuring consistent results for different projects. A direct extruder system ensures proper material flow. The structure allows for smooth filament feeding, preventing slipping during printing. The setup is suitable for handling different filament types, making it versatile for various designs. The extruder supports reliability, allowing for continuous use without interruptions. A leveling system simplifies the printing process by adjusting settings automatically. The calibration function ensures accurate positioning, eliminating the need for manual adjustments. A sensor detects variations, maintaining precision while reducing effort for the user. The setup provides stability, ensuring high-quality prints without deviations. A dual-axis structure enhances accuracy by reducing movement errors. The system includes components made from durable materials, ensuring long-term reliability. The design prevents misalignment, supporting smooth and even layer formation during operation. The structure allows for improved results by maintaining consistent positioning. An automatic loading function streamlines filament replacement. The system allows materials to be fed and removed with minimal effort. This function ensures easy switching between different filaments, making the process more efficient. The setup helps in maintaining workflow without delays. At number 4, we have FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M. The FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M 3-dimensional printer is designed for efficient and high-speed printing. The structure supports smooth operation while ensuring precision in different projects. The lightweight build enhances stability, allowing for accurate layer formation with consistent results. An automatic leveling system ensures proper adhesion during printing. The setup eliminates manual adjustments, providing a seamless experience with every use. The system maintains stability, allowing for smooth material deposition without interruptions. This function enhances efficiency while reducing the effort required for calibration. A printing structure supports rapid operation, making it suitable for both prototypes and large-scale production. The high-speed movement allows for reduced printing time without compromising accuracy. The setup ensures smooth extrusion, preventing inconsistencies in material flow. This function helps achieve detailed prints with enhanced precision. A direct extruder system provides efficient material handling. The structure allows for high-temperature operation, making it compatible with different filaments. The nozzle design supports easy removal and replacement, ensuring flexibility for various printing needs. The setup maintains stability, allowing for smooth transitions between different projects. A real-time monitoring function allows tracking of printing progress. A mobile application provides access to controls, enabling remote adjustments. This function ensures convenience by allowing users to manage settings without being near the device. The system provides alerts for efficient operation, ensuring continuous performance. At number 5, we have Entina 2 Plus Printer. The Entina 2 Plus 3-dimensional printer is designed for smooth and efficient operation. The compact structure allows for easy placement while providing stable performance. The lightweight build ensures convenience, making it suitable for users of different experience levels. A high-speed printing system allows for rapid model creation. The setup reduces production time while maintaining precision. A cooling system enhances stability by managing heat dissipation, ensuring consistent results. This function supports detailed prints with improved accuracy, making it suitable for various projects. An assembled structure allows for immediate use without complex setup. The system includes a starter kit with preloaded designs, allowing users to begin printing without additional preparation. A simple interface ensures accessibility, making it easy for beginners to operate. The setup provides a smooth experience for users of all skill levels. A leveling function enhances precision by adjusting settings automatically. The structure includes components that reduce errors, ensuring accuracy in every print. The system maintains stability, allowing for consistent layer formation. The design supports seamless operation, preventing misalignment during the printing process. A connectivity system allows for wireless operation. A mobile application provides access to printing controls, enabling remote adjustments. The setup includes an option for online slicing, ensuring smooth operation with minimal effort. This function enhances convenience, allowing users to manage tasks without manual intervention. We believe that you like our best Toybox 3D printer. A request to you, a like on the video, and subscribe to the channel. In the comment section, tell me which Toybox 3D printer you liked.